Okay, Jay. This is just a stroll in the park. Yeah. Straight across. Not look down. Oh. I am still mountain lake. Very smooth. Not a ripple.
Here you are. I've been looking for you.
Jolly good. Do I know you?
Know me? More than you realize.
Look, let's do the introductions of this,
Do you feel that? Pulsing in your marrow. Like a promise.
Hey? How the hell did they get in? I'm going to Santa Monica. Right? I'm leaving through that door. Don't make me go through you.
You've got your eyes wide shut, clinging to the edge of the pool, too afraid of drowning. I'm gonna have to help you let go.
I'd rather not. Careful! Don't do that! Ah! Ah! Oh, shit. This ain't right.